Good evening, everybody. I'm going to do the most important thing I know Rose wants me to do, which is set the tone of brevity. So thank you so much. I truly would have been happy just to get a ticket to come to this event. To be honored here is extraordinary. I'm literally sitting, like, you know how people have that dream dinner they want to go to? Like, I'm looking at the dream dinner, and I'm sitting between the dream dinner. I mean, so this is just extraordinary. I've got my family here, thank you. I've got my friends here. I've got my supporters here. I've even got a former student here who's killing it on our staff team. We got great people here, so thank you so much. I guess I would just say this. What McSilver means to me, and where I think Rose and I really align, is that children will believe what you show them. Children will believe what you show them. So if you show them that there's only one counselor for every 300 students, as we have in New York, or for every 400 students nationwide, if you show them that you made a bigger effort to get your stadiums open and your bars open and not your schools, if you show them that they're not in the stories that you read or the stories that you talk about or the teachers that are in front of you, if you show them that they are not brilliant and beautiful to begin with, right? That they've already got that thing. If you show them that, then what matters after that? Don't talk to me about math and STEM and reading and all the subjects. They've got to know those things. But if you've already shown them that they don't matter, that they're not already beautiful, that they're not already heard, I don't think the next sentence matters at all. You know, thank you. So every day I try to do a little bit of both. You can see I was out at Randall's Island for our field day today. I know I should wear more suntan lotion. Bald men should wear suntan lotion. I get it. So every day I try to be with young people, and I also try to think about policy. I got some of my friends from the Kennedy School, and where we always aligned was we said we were going to try to think about both. What's actually going on in the real world, but also don't forget about policy. Right, and we've got this incredible board. Hope is here, Giselle is here, Billy is here, others. That's what we care about at East Harlem Tutorial Program. We don't want to be talking about policy without paying attention to what's really going on. And so that's why McSilver matters. Not only do we talk about policy, but I've met with the McSilver team, and they help us think about how you actually do social work. Right? It's really rare to find a group. That sounds maybe obvious to all you, but it's actually really rare to find a group that thinks about both. So I'm deeply honored to be involved. I'm deeply honored to be supportive. And I'm deeply honored just to honestly just be in this room, get to win this award. So thank you so much.